Aging roofs eventually develop water leaks due to the lack of maintenance. This is partially attributed to weather cycles or the way the roof has been installed. The pitch, the drainage, also plays an important role. Luckily, there is a solution without the need to rip out the entire roof. The customer has complained of several leaks entering into the building structure. This is an old asphalt-based roofing system. The seams are all damaged due to ponding water. The edges of the roof has damaged areas as well. The seams appear to have been priorly patched, but the asphalt patching material has started to peel. One of the other problems is the perimeter around the chimney. What we are going to do today is install the WATERLOX system without the need to rip out the entire roof. First, we will waterproof all the seams with WATERLOX Paste grade number 646 LV, followed by WATERLOX High Build Membrane number 601, which is a seamless, tough, flexible, UV-resistant product. Surface prep is essential, so we will begin by pressure washing the entire roof with a high-performance detergent to remove dirt, grime, and debris off the roof. Here we are using WATERLOX number 718 high-performance detergent with our pressure washer. You may use any good quality water-based cleaner. Just make sure to wash out any residue that is left over from power washing and allow the roof to dry completely. After the roof has dried properly, we will begin by sealing all the seams, joints, cracks, holes, and flash around any protrusions, like the chimney, with WATERLOX number 646 LV. This is a thick paste-like product with extreme bonding power and can be applied with a brush, trowel, or roller. It has great flowability and seals all the seams and damaged areas and levels off the surface for the final membrane application. Here's another method of applying the WATERLOX paste. You may also use a paint roller connected to a handle as well. Simply dip the roller into the bucket to load up the WATERLOX 646 LV thick paste and apply. It's that simple. It can be applied up to 1/2 inch thicknesses down to 1/8 of an inch. We are now ready to install the final step, the WATERLOX High Build Membrane number 601. Using a 1/4 inch nap roller, simply pour and spread. Follow proper coverage rates as per specifications. Push the material back, making sure all areas are filled in, and roll forward to level it off. WATERLOX 601 is a thick, flowy material with extreme bonding power. It has amazing flexibility, UV resistance, and super adhesion. WATERLOX 601 is resistant to ponding water and will produce a seamless 20-year worry-free roofing system. This is the basic installation process of our system. Here we have completed the entire system using two products, WATERLOX Paste number 646LV and WATERLOX High Build Membrane number 601. This is a simple do-it-yourself process. You may order our products directly from EMP Incorporation by calling area code 516-624-9774 and speak to one of our roofing engineers, or visit us online at www.empinc.com.